This is my first breadboard setup. I've used a few of these 555 timers just to mess around with, and I only have one light, but that's as far as I can control these things right now. And I have about 20 lights here, 10 going one way and 10 the other, with a couple jumpers at the back. I'm only using 3 AA batteries for this, so let's give this a try, see how she works. There it goes. That's not too bad. Well, the light doesn't help much when I shut it off, but yeah, not a bad project. Those are all 330 ohm resistors, and I'm not exactly sure, about 470 ohm capacitors, and a couple jumpers here and there. But anyways, yeah.